hit some gnar, and then hit some more gnar, and then the real gnar. Hey, it's Brett here, MTBMOR, and today I'm at Santiago Oaks checking out Waterfall Trail. Right behind me is the gnarliest section. There's different options that you can come down here, but none of them are easy. Gnar, 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 fun, fun, fun. I hope you like it. MTBMOR. All right, here we go. Mountain Goat, aka Waterfall. Woo! Those are fun. Here's a little rock garden. Oops, I went the easy way by skipping that. Oh well. Up here's a jump. Woo! I miss that jump so often, but now you can't miss it. All right, here's that jump. It's slow speed. You can just roll it. It's a rock. Easy roll, so if you have to go off it, you don't want to jump it, you just roll it. Easy peasy. And here comes some chunk. Woo-hoo-hoo. Chunk, chunk, chunk. Chunk, chunk, chunk. Chunk, chunk, chunk. And really chunk. And steep. All right, here we are at the top of the waterfall. We know there's that one super steep section, but to get there is some gnar too. So let's go check it out. Oops, too slow. All right, here we go. Sick. All right, so a little easier way when you come into this gnarly section, stay a little right, and you can come through here. Notice, not such big rocks, but there is a rut, because there's more guys skidding here, and then you just aim right through here. Woo. And it's not quite as steep. Skidding here, and then you just aim right through here. Woo. And here we go. We're going to try the third way. This one takes some trickery. You got to know it's here, so you got to almost come to a complete stop here. Nope, not going to make the turn. Oh well. I'm not even gonna make the third way. You really need to know the turn's coming. And I did, and I still didn't slow down enough. Here's some chunk, steep, getting loose. Gonna go into the rut. Little pedal scrape. Woo! Wanna let that bike go, but you got some gnar. Gnarly chunk, woo! Yeah. So much chunk on this trail, super fun. Hi lizard, go right over that. I don't know if I'm supposed to go down this, I always forget. Through that rut. And I think I wanted to go lower. All right, here we go, the big rock slab section. Nice little foot. Yeah. All right, here we go, the hard right turn. I'll have to look at the footage, but I think the key is to come more direct at it. Don't swing wide here. Go right through here. And then take that steep, yeah, and then it flows you right into it. Nice and easy. Yeah, and then it flows you right into it. Yeah, and then it flows you right into it. Nice. So we went down the inside. That's the way most people go. But making that turn's not the easiest if you don't straighten out early. You can see some people go wide and you can see where their chain rings scrape because they're coming across this rock here. If you go around it, that's a 90-degree angle. I don't know how many of us are making that turn, but then once you make it around it, you definitely can go ahead and shoot right down the rock. Not overly difficult, just don't get stuck in that crack down there, and then you flow right into it. So both are options, but the inside is clearly the one that most of us take because it's the smoothest. All right, so just for giggles, I'm pretending that you missed your right turn. You don't want to go back to the main line, you want to try this line. It looks straightforward. Coming in and cutting the corner, I think I'd bottom out too, like everybody else, so here goes. So easy that way, but again, you gotta make the turn. All right, we're at the top of Chutes, above Chutes Ridgline. Here we go, waterfall. Mountain goat. Woo. This is sick right here. No rock line. Forgot it was here. Here's a jump. Can't miss it today. Here we go into the gnarly section. I'm gonna try to hit the right line. I think it's more direct. Right here, yeah. Looks way more direct. Yeah. Woo! Little rut surfing. That was the turn. Oh no, wasn't it? Here's the turn. Woo! Oh, look at that rut. Rodeo! Oh, I gotta let the bike run through that. All right, we're gonna go straight into here. Oh, not like that, shoot. That was ugly. Oh well, still a blast. Waterfall! Woo! Sick. Well, that was another fun session at Santiago Oaks. We're just pedaling back to the car now. This is half the fun here because this pedal is pretty adventurous, pretty green, overgrown right now. It's rad. So I hope you like this. Hit like, hit subscribe, leave me comments, yell more! Mountain bike more. Ride more. Subscribe. Laugh more.
Like. Crash more. Comment.
Crash more. Comment.